welcome Julie David. I will just say a few words about Julie David. Julie David is the singing midwife, as she says herself, a midwife who loves to sing. She has a Facebook page and a website on which she shares positive and engaging songs about pregnancy, birth, and babies. And she has toured United Kingdom with her singing midwife show. The best thing about being the singing midwife for Julie is that all sorts of people in all sorts of places start getting excited and informed about pregnancy issues once they have seen her show. Last year, Julie and some friends recorded an album of 11 meditative songs for pregnancy and childbirth. Julie lives in London in the UK. She's a midwife who loves working with women in deep and soulful ways, and she currently is working with the neighborhood midwives in London. The virtual International Day of the Midwife is very pleased to have Julie here for the opening ceremony to welcome all the participants in the 6th Virtual International Day of the Midwife Conference with her beautiful song. And now I will give the microphone to Julie. Welcome, Julie.
Hello everyone. Here's a couple of short songs for you. Midwife, she was called back then, Mercy's angel, neighbor, friend. Always came to help you when your time was at hand. Winter, summer, spring or fall, often there would come a call, middle of the night and all. Margaret, won't you come? Working late into the night, candle lamp or firelight, knowing everything's all right when the baby comes. Midwife, she is called again, Mercy's angel, neighbor, friend, always comes to help you when your time is at hand. I am feeling very open, like a flower in the morn. Let my petals open, let my child be born. I am feeling very open, like a flower in the morn. Let my petals open, let my child be born. I am feeling very open, like a flower in the morn. Let our conference open, let our child be born.
Thank you very much, Julie. Very, very nice songs. You get a lot of applause now. Thank you very much for a very nice opening of this year's Virtual International Day of the Midwife, Julie. We will now go on